Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you having trouble installing CausalML using pip? You're not alone. Many of us have faced this issue at some point or another. In today's video, we'll walk through the possible reasons behind this error and provide a step-by-step guide on how to resolve it. CausalML is an incredibly powerful library that allows us to estimate causal effects from observational data. It's a game changer for anyone working in data science, machine learning, or business analytics. However, getting started with CausalML can be a bit of a hurdle, especially when you encounter installation errors. That's why we're here today, to help you overcome this obstacle and get started with CausalML. In this video, we'll cover the common reasons behind the pip install CausalML error, and then dive into the solution. By the end of this video, you should be able to successfully install CausalML and start exploring its features. So, why does the pip install CausalML command fail? There are a few possible reasons for this. Firstly, it's possible that your pip version is outdated. If your pip version is not compatible with the latest version of CausalML, you might encounter installation errors. To resolve this, simply update your pip version using the command pip install. Upgrade pip. Another reason could be that your Python environment is not properly configured. Make sure that you have the correct version of Python installed and that your environment variables are set up correctly. It's also possible that there are dependency issues with other libraries that CausalML relies on. In this case, try installing CausalML using a virtual environment like Conda or virtualenv. This will help isolate the dependencies and ensure a smooth installation process. Lastly, it's worth checking if your system has the required build tools installed. On Linux systems, you can use the command sudo apt-get install build essential to install the necessary build tools. Now that we've covered the possible reasons behind the error, let's dive into the solution. Firstly, make sure you have the latest version of pip installed. Then, try installing CausalML using the command pip install CausalML. If this fails, try updating your pip version and then retrying the installation. If you're still facing issues, try creating a virtual environment using Conda or virtualenv. Activate the environment and then try installing CausalML again. Finally, if none of these solutions work, try checking your system's build tools and ensuring that they are up to date. To summarize, from this video or more, make sure you have the latest version of pip installed. Update your Python environment to ensure compatibility with CausalML. Use a virtual environment like Conda or virtualenv to isolate dependencies. Check your system's build tools and ensure they are up to date. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully install CausalML using pip. That's it for today's video. We hope this helps you resolve the pip install CausalML error and get started with CausalML. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on data science, machine learning, and business analytics. If you're interested in learning more about CausalML, be sure to check out some of our other videos that cover topics such as estimating causal effects, using instrumental variables, and more. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you all in the next video.